How to log out of Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're wondering how to log out of the Fortnite account, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open Fortnite app on your device. Whether you are using Android or iOS, from the home screen go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, click on this exit kind of an icon at the top right. And once you click on that, you'll see the logout button. Press on it. Confirm that you want to log out of Fortnite by clicking yes, and you have successfully logged out of the Fortnite game on your Android device or your iOS device. So that's it, quick and easy. You can now switch accounts or step away without any worries. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.